Nowadays, going viral has an entirely new meaning. But today, Manychat is going to teach you how you can use Instagram Reels to go viral, the good kind. We'll start with a brief history of Instagram Reels if you're unfamiliar. If you want to skip straight to the tips, you can check out the chapters in our description. Let's jump back a long time ago. Back in August of 2020, when Instagram first launched its IG Reels feature to compete directly with its rival TikTok. By June 2021, Instagram have launched their IG Reel ads, and by July, they expanded their IG Reels to 60 seconds to further compete with TikTok. Now, influencers and brands are heralding IG Reels as the best way to grow your account and expand your reach. Take a look at Nike's Instagram Reel page that averages 4.6 million views per reel. By posting IG Reels, your content can appear on the Explore page, which multiplies your chances of expanding your reach and your engagement. Instagram has reported that on average, Reels receive 22% more engagement than other video content on the platform. This platform is bullish on video, so if you want to grow your Instagram account, Instagram Reels aren't going anywhere. Luckily, you have Manychat on your side. If you want to use IG Reels to grow your account, you're in the right place. It's about to get real. Here are some quick guidelines to make sure that your IG Reels are helping your account grow. First of all, use vertical video. You need to take advantage of all the real estate that Instagram gives you to grab your users' attention. Make it easy on them. Don't make them turn the phone, or don't use the wrong dimensions. Number 2, pay attention to trending audio. Just like TikTok, video and audio trends are everywhere on Instagram. Since there's not a lot of hard data available for how trends or audio affect your reach on Instagram, social researcher and writer Alex Boswell did some research of his own. After scrolling through the Reels Explore page, he documented the following data points. Trending audio was featured in 36.7% of the Reels, and the view count of those Reels was just over 13 million. On the flip side, the Reels without trending audio, 63.3%, only garnered a bit over 9 million views. That's a difference of 4 million. This information proves how vital it is to use trending audio and how big of a difference it can make in your Reel strategy. But just a heads up, if you're using Reels to advertise your business or products, make sure that the trend you're following is business appropriate. You don't want to look unprofessional. Oh my gosh, what is that? If you want to stay on top of trends, follow the @creators Instagram account. They post weekly Reels trends to show what's popular on the platform, including content ideas, filters, trending audio, and spotlights. Number 3, use filter, text, and any special effects. Don't be afraid to experiment with all the possibilities that Instagram offers with your Reels. Sometimes just a quick video of you using a funny filter is enough to generate some interesting content. And those are just a quick few tips to get started. So now that you know why Instagram Reels are so important, all you have to do now is know what to post. Don't worry, Manychat's got you covered. You can watch this video right here for all the content ideas that will help your Instagram Reels make your followers into paying customers. You don't want to miss out on this. Your business will thank you.